What up, YouTube? How's it going? I'm Taylor. This is my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you watch my videos. I like to make videos to show people how to work on their Hondas, or you know, pretty much any other type of car that I have worked on in these videos. Today I have some Honda content for you guys. Here's the bay. She looking nice. Now, as of you guys, or most of you guys know, well, the people who watch my videos know that I got this hybrid carbon fiber KevTech hood. Now, there's one downside to it, is that there's no spot to use to put a hood rod. And so what I ended up purchasing for this car was kind of some like new school upgrades. I picked up some hood dampers. Now these are made by Civic. There's instructions in there. This will be my first time assembling them myself. So bear with me while we go through the installation. I'll do my best to be as detail specific as possible. But another thing that I also picked up with these for the hood is some Password JDM hood risers. I didn't realize how perverted they were until I saw what they actually look like. But I went and ended up picking up the neochrome, and so the neochrome is what we're going to be playing with today. I'm going to slap these on along with the dress-up hardware and hook up the hood dampers. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, guys, we're going to use the neochrome washers. And we are going to put that along with the screws that come with the Password JDM hardware. And I'm going to put on the spacer first on the side of the car, and then mount my one of my what are these called? The hood damper brackets on the car after I install the hood risers. Most of you who have hood risers, these are pretty simple to install. These just go in between the hood and the actual hood bracket itself. So it'll be hood bracket on the left side, and then Password JDM hood riser in the center, and then connecting to the hood, and using the new hardware extended studs. That's how we tighten them up. They looks like they are a T30. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that one off camera. I'm gonna install the right side first so that the hood stays up, and that I can actually have a better view of the second, or the passenger side. That way I can show you guys step by step, because I don't have an extra set of hands today to help me install this. So I'm going to do one side first, have the hood staying up, and then I'll show you guys exactly step by step how to install the other one. And then you guys can take this video and do it at home yourselves. So give me a second. So this is kind of what it's like. Look, guys, I just fucking scratched it. I'm so pissed. Luckily, I work at a body shop. Fucking A, god damn it, dude. Fuck. This is what it looks like, though. Kind of like this. We'll see how it shuts, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side first, and then see how everything fits. I'll show you guys a little bit how it goes. Yeah, I'm fucking pissed. I went off camera, dude. Fucking A, dude. That shit pissed me off so bad. Alright, I'm gonna do this side, and then yeah. Alright, so we're going to use a black washer along with the prop. And we're going to put it in the center over here on the fendy, just like this. And we're going to tighten it with the 10 mil. Can't use deep socket because unfortunately this kit, it's just like that. Go ahead, tighten it. Oh, you're looking at me. Go ahead, tighten it. Make it nice and snug. And we're going to take out this screw over here. Put the JDM hood spacer in. Your washer's ready. Go ahead, tighten the bottom one first. Then we're going to take our bracket. This is going to sandwich on the underside. Screw in, pin to the outside. At least that's what it says in the directions. There's adjustments. Then we attach our hood mounts. And just like that, we have our hood dampers. Yo, I'm so pissed about my Fendi though. Fuck me. I know you guys can't see it very well, but... Alright, and that's pretty much how you install hood dampers. The instructions are pretty easy. They're right there in the Soki Tech manual. It's pretty simple. You can't really mess it up. Just know there's a lot of room for adjustment. You know, so if it fits multiple cars. I'm not sure it's 100% universal, but they are nice. They do make the car look nicer, and just getting rid of the prop rod is really nice. So I'm going to show you guys how it opens and closes. Guys, let's pick a different spot. Alright, this is how it opens. Pretty nice. And then obviously how it closes. I am going to be careful with it because this is a hybrid hood. I don't have all the middle support. I'm pretty sure closing it is going to be pretty simple for you guys who don't have this type of hood. But I do need to be careful because this is KevTech. And, you know, even though it's a carbon fiber hood, it's not like the best fucking quality ever made. So just, you know, be gentle with it. If you have this hood and you're closing your hood, like maybe wiggle it a little bit to get it going. But yep, and that's it. It's pretty nicely. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I know you guys seen the scratch, but oh well, I got touch up and I work at a body shop, so you know, I'll get it fixed. But fucking it, god damn it, that wasn't in the plans. Alright, peace guys. Like, share this video.